This is Wondershare DemoAir review, which is free online screen recorder from Wondershare plus a step-by-step Wondershare DemoAir tutorial. So if you are looking for a free online screen recorder, then watch this video full and you will learn how to record your computer screen for free. Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals, and today I am teaming up with Wondershare to present you Wondershare DemoAir, which is free online screen recorder without watermark, an easy way to record your browser tab and can also record your desktop with webcam as well. With DemoAir you can record your narration with microphone's audio. It also comes with annotation tools for customizing and enhancing your screen recordings. You can directly save your videos to Google Drive, share your recording link with one click, can also directly upload screen recording to your YouTube channel. Wondershare DemoAir is for everyone. So even if you are a student, teacher, designer, salesman, you can use it by just following 3 steps. We can do much more with DemoAir, and for that let's give it a try. Check the link in description and pinned comment to visit this page or directly visit Google Chrome extension page. Once you are on this page, click on Add to Chrome and this opens up Wondershare DemoAir Chrome extension web page. Click on Add to Chrome, it starts checking and again a pop-up comes. Click on Add extension and in few seconds DemoAir gets added to Chrome. Here is the confirmation. Thereafter click on this extension button and then pin DemoAir to show it on toolbox bar. Now click on DemoAir button and it asks to log in. Click on sign in and now from here we can create a Wondershare account or log in using any of these options. If you have already an account just like me, enter details to log in to DemoAir. Here is our dashboard. All our recordings will show in my video section. Now again click on DemoAir button. Here it mentions 5 minutes limit per video. So the thing is that DemoAir is free to use with all its features for recordings up to 5 minutes. We will discuss about that later. For now let's see all other options as well. But before we get started with recording, we need to give some permissions for mic and webcam access. Click on Setup Access and from here click on Enable Mic and Webcam. Again one pop-up comes, click on Allow. And here we have our screen recorder ready to get started with screen recording. Now click on DemoAir. From here we have options to record computer screen, browser tab or webcam only. And here we have settings options. Enable microphone if you want to narrate videos just like me what I am doing right now. You can turn on webcam or turn off from here. If you want to record system sound, keep system sound on. And then we have option to turn on or off drawing tools. Now finally we are ready to record our computer screen for free using Wondershare DemoAir. Click on Start Recording and now from here we can choose if you want to record entire screen. Select window and click on Share. Here our recording starts. Here we have our recording panel. From here we can stop recording and from here we can pause it. Here we have focus mouse. Click on it and the focus will shift to your mouse. This way you can get your audience focus on a specific part of screen. Just move your mouse to what you want to showcase. Now here we have highlight clicks. This way clicks done on this page will get highlighted just like this. Here we have pen tool. Using this we can mark a specific part of screen. Just choose your color and pen size. After this, let's mark this text on this web page. Now once we are done, click on stop to stop recording. Now here we have our screen recording ready. From here we can rename it. Let's give it a name. We can trim our screen recording. Just click on this and then drag start and end points to remove unwanted parts from start or end. After that, we can click on save trim to save trimmed screen recording. We can also delete our recording from here if you want to. And here we have option to copy and share our screen recording via a link. Just copy and share this link with anyone with whom you want to share your recording. You can also publish this video to YouTube directly from here, or can also send it via Gmail or get an embed code to embed this video to any web page. Can also share it to Google Classroom, and if you want to download it, can also download it, or can also export it in MP4 as well. Let's export it to MP4, and for that click on this. Export starts, and in few seconds our screen recording starts downloading. Once completed, click on it to preview, and here we have our high quality MP4 screen recording ready. This is how easy it is to record your computer screen using Wondershare DemoAir for free. Well, Wondershare DemoAir is completely free for up to 5 minutes recording, but if you want to record for longer duration, you will require a plan. Click on upgrade now and it opens up pricing plan details. Here it mentions it is completely free with all its features with 5 minutes limit, and here we have monthly and yearly plans of Wondershare DemoAir. So choose your plan as per your requirement. I will recommend you to try out Wondershare DemoAir as it is completely free for up to 5 minutes recording with all its features, and there is no watermark placed on your screen recordings. This is what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Share your views in comments. Do consider subscribing to WM Originals to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.